How to make Cajun citrus marinade at home, tangy and spicy. Did you know that a marinade can elevate your dish from ordinary to extraordinary in just a few hours? Let's uncover the secrets behind a tangy and spicy Cajun citrus marinade. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to make a delicious Cajun citrus marinade right at home. It's perfect for grilling or roasting your favorite proteins. Trust me, once you try this, you'll want to use it on everything. Now, let's talk about a common struggle many home cooks face. You know how it goes? You whip up a marinade, but somehow it ends up bland or way too salty. And let's not even get started on those overly sweet marinades that just mask the flavor of the meat. It's frustrating, right? You want something that enhances your dish, not overpowers it. Finding that right balance of flavors can feel like an uphill battle, especially with all the options out there. But don't worry, today we're going to solve that problem together with this Cajun citrus marinade that's bursting with flavor. All right, let's dive into the essential ingredients for this marinade. First off, we've got our fresh citrus, think oranges, lemons, and limes. They bring that zesty kick that will make your taste buds dance. Then we're adding some classic Cajun spices like paprika, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. These spices not only pack a punch, but also add depth to the flavors. Don't forget about olive oil. It helps to emulsify everything and keeps your proteins juicy. We'll also throw in some salt and pepper to tie it all together. Now, the magic happens when you combine these ingredients. You want to make sure they blend well to maximize the flavor impact. So, grab a bowl and let's mix it up. Okay, it's time for the fun part. Watch as I demonstrate the marinade preparation step by step. First, we'll zest and juice our citrus fruits into a mixing bowl. The aroma is already amazing. Next, we'll add in the olive oil, then the spices, and of course, a good pinch of salt and pepper. Now whisk it all together until it's well combined. You want to ensure the spices are evenly distributed throughout. Once that's done, you can either use it right away or let it sit for a bit to deepen those flavors. And here's a tip. Marinating your protein for at least 30 minutes to a couple of hours will really make a difference. For chicken or fish, I recommend marinating for about an hour. Trust me, this step is crucial. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap what we've done. We started with fresh citrus, combined it with some Cajun spices, olive oil, and seasoning. We whisked it all together, and now you have a tangy and spicy Cajun citrus marinade that's ready to elevate your favorite proteins. It's super simple, and I promise you'll be hooked. Before you go, don't forget to leave a comment sharing your marinade experiences. I love hearing what you all come up with. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my next one for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Did you know that salsa is one of the most popular condiments in America? It actually outsells ketchup. Today, we're putting a fun twist on this classic by whipping up some delicious Creole salsa in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Creole salsa. This isn't your typical salsa. It's bursting with unique flavors that will elevate your dishes in no time. And the best part, we're making it super easy and quick, just 3 minutes. So let's get to it. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, salsa, that sounds complicated. Or I don't have time to chop all those ingredients. Well, you're not alone. Many people believe that making salsa requires hours of prep or special skills, but guess what? That's just a myth. You don't need to be a chef to create a fresh and flavorful salsa. I'm here to show you how simple it really can be. So if you've ever felt intimidated by making salsa, stick around because I'm about to change your mind. All right, let's talk ingredients. For our Creole salsa, we'll need some fresh tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, garlic, jalapenos for that kick, and of course some fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. Each ingredient plays a crucial role. The tomatoes bring that juicy base, the bell peppers add a sweet crunch, and the jalapenos give it a spicy flair. Now here's a tip. If you're short on time, you can always use pre-chopped veggies or even canned tomatoes. It's all about making it work for you. And don't forget to have some lime juice and salt on hand to tie all those flavors together. Now it's time to put it all together. Grab a cutting board and let's chop those veggies. Start with the tomatoes, just a rough chop will do. Next, slice up your bell peppers and onions, and don't forget to mince that garlic. If you love a bit of heat, Dice up your jalapenos too, but make sure to remove the seeds if you want it milder. Toss everything into a bowl, squeeze in some fresh lime juice, sprinkle a little salt and give it a good mix. Look at those vibrant colors coming together. This is what makes Creole salsa so special. Just like that, you've got a fresh, zesty salsa ready to enjoy. To recap, we chopped up some fresh ingredients, mixed them all together, and voila, Creole salsa in just 3 minutes. It's super easy, and you can use it on tacos, grilled meats, or just as a dip with chips. The possibilities are endless. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite salsa variation? Drop a comment below and share your recipe. And if you enjoyed this quick salsa tutorial, don't forget to check out my other quick recipe videos. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Ingredients: 4 large eggs, 2 English muffins, split, 2 cups fresh spinach chopped, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 clove garlic minced, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Prepare the spinach mixture. In a skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and cook for about a minute until fragrant. Add the chopped spinach to the skillet and cook until wilted. Season with salt and pepper. Step 2. Make the cream sauce. In a separate saucepan, heat milk over medium heat. In a small bowl, whisk together flour with a little bit of water to create a paste. Slowly add this paste to the heated milk while whisking constantly until it thickens into a cream sauce. Season with salt and pepper. Step 3. Poach the eggs. Fill a large saucepan with water and bring it to just below boiling point, with small bubbles forming at the bottom. Crack each egg into individual small bowls. Carefully slide each egg into the water one at a time without breaking them. Cook for about 3 minutes or until the whites are set but the yolks are still runny. Step 4. Toast English muffins. Toast your English muffin halves in either a toaster or oven until lightly golden brown. Step 5. Assemble. Place the toasted English muffin halves on serving plates. Top each half with some of the cooked spinach mixture. Carefully remove the poached eggs from the water using a slotted spoon. Drain well. Place 1 poached egg on top of each portion of spinach mixture. Spoon cream sauce over the eggs. Your delicious eggs Florentine is ready. Enjoy! While the term Florentine can refer to a range of dishes from the Italian region of Tuscany, it more often refers to a recipe involving spinach. Eggs. Florentine is the perfect breakfast if you're looking for something that tastes indulgent but still fits into a healthy marathon meal plan. Eggs are full of protein, remember? The soft poached eggs with a runny yolk, of course, and our creamy hollandaise sauce sit beautifully on a bed of silky spinach, all layered on top of crunchy ciabatta. All you need to finish this dish is a sprinkling of Parmesan cheese and warming nutmeg, which is perfect for cutting through eggs and cream. Ingredients: 4 large free-range eggs, 1 sachet hollandaise sauce, mix 300 milliliters or half a pint of milk, 25 grams or 1 ounce of butter, optional, 4 slices of ciabatta, 175 grams or 6 ounces of fresh spinach, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of ground nutmeg, 4 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Aubergine and goat cheese. Torte with honey harissa sauce is a delicious and elegant dish. Here's a step-by-step guide to making it. Ingredients for the torte: 2 large aubergines sliced into thin rounds, olive oil for brushing, salt and pepper, 250 grams goat cheese log sliced into rounds. For the honey harissa sauce, 3 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon harissa paste, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Roast the aubergine slices. 1. Place the aubergine slices on a baking sheet. 2. Brush both sides of each slice with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. 3. Roast in the preheated oven for about 15 minutes or until they are tender and lightly browned. Step 3. Assemble the torte layers. Once roasted, allow the aubergine slices to cool slightly. Take 1 slice of roasted aubergine and place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Then, layer with a slice of goat cheese on top of the first layer of roasted aubergines. Repeat this process, creating layers of alternating roasted aubergines and goat cheese slices until you have used all your ingredients. Step 4. Bake the torte. Bake in the preheated oven for around 10 minutes or until warmed through. Step 5. Make honey harissa sauce. In a small bowl, mix together honey, harissa paste, and olive oil. Then, drizzle the sauce over the baked aubergine and goat cheese torte before serving. Once ready, slice the tart carefully without disturbing its layers. Enjoy!